Hi, I'm Ervin Parra, Application Specialist for Fluke Calibration. I'm going to show you how to calibrate digital scope meters using 9500C Scope Calibrator. So we just finished connecting the two heads, and so we can do 4 tests: amplitude, time markers, bandwidth, and impedance. 9500C Scope Calibrator have 5 channels, so you can use 5 heads at the same time, so you can calibrate 5 channels at the same time. In this case, we have 2 heads connected, so we can get simultaneous values. In the old method, we have to do 1 channel at a time. Now we can have 5 channels at the same time. It will be faster and more efficient. Now I'm going to do amplitude testing. I have 10 millivolts. Hit operate. Check the measurements. They're correct. So I can hit 10 times. That's 100 millivolts. 1 millivolt. 10 volt, and 100. Everything is correct, so I can go back, divide by 10, I get 10 volts. They match. 1 volt. $100 millivolt, and we're back in 10 millivolts. Now I'm going to calibrate time markers on my scope. This has to be done each channel at a time. So I select 1 millisecond, can hit operate, and I'm reading the channel 1 time markers every 1 millisecond. And when it's done, I have to move on to the next channel. Now I'm going to do bandwidth testing. So let's select 1 volt, 50 kilohertz. And I'm going to calibrate my scope, which is 500 megahertz of bandwidth. Hit operate, and I need to verify the amplitude is 1 volt. It's 1 volt. And then I'm going to be raising the frequency up to 500 megs. And then I should see a 3 decibels drop. And then I'm reach my bandwidth. Now I can go back to my frequency of 50 kilohertz, and that will be the bandwidth testing. I can do it 5 channels at the same time. Now I'm going to show you how to measure resistance and capacitance for each channel. So you select capacitance. Notice that I only have 1 channel, 1 head, and I'm getting 12.96 picofarads. That is the expected value. Hit standby, jump to resistance, hit operate, and I'm reading about 1 meg exactly. And this measure is done, so I can continue with the next channel. I've shown you 4 of the most common use functions for calibrating oscilloscopes using the 9500C. If you want more information, go to fluke.com.